Now today, I'm going to give you, this is Charlie Brown from CW Post Corner, and I'm going to give you a brief, give you some brief information pertaining to sterling silver. For those individuals who like to collect sterling silver, okay, you could be duped, for lack of a better word, fooled, because it's a possibility that it's listed as sterling, and it's not sterling. Okay, so what I'm giving you is images of what appears to be sterling silver. When I say sterling silver, they are usually, especially these type of spoons here, for the 19th century. Okay, the material they're supposed to be made of is corn silver, a common material for the flatware in the 19th century. Potentially, the origin, the makers like Home Turtle from Connecticut and Boston, Massachusetts, were known to provide such items in 1851 or prior to. Possibly, the spoon monograms could be listed. Okay, but just for collector's purposes, you have to be aware because everything that glitters is not gold. Now, I'm going to give you an idea of a few things here. Most of these spoons here, okay, appear to be of the same similar make. All right. Now, if you look at the monograms on the back of some of them, you could see closely that they have something that would appear to be an Indian head and a P. I don't know if you could see that. However, there are a few others, okay, that have marks which are basically that of an eagle, okay, which is backwards, and some sort of head and JB. Now, these makers, Roberts and all, they were back in the early 19th century, okay? And for the most part, a lot of these were stamped as P, which means pure silver, or stated pure silver. But as I stated before, all the glitter is not gold. Now, this is an example. If you notice, it's light, it's similar to the others, if you look at it, okay? There are two of them. They're similar to the others. You see the general shapes. Okay, however, they could be worth a lot of money or no money at all. In this case, they're not worth as much because they're fakes. They're duped to be fakes simply because after testing the silver content, it's supposed to be at least 925. You can see the owner scraped them, okay, to see whether or not it's pure silver or silver plated. As you can see, it's tarnished in there, it was turning green on the back, okay. This one also was tarnished and turning green. They're not really silver, okay. And that could be the difference between being worth $2, which is a fake, or the originals from the 1800s that's worth anywhere from $50 to $125, okay. So as I said before, beware. To collect silver spoons could be very lucrative. However, know what you're purchasing. Again, this is Charlie Brown from CW Post Corner. Okay, for further information, DM me, please.